Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trendy Looks. Our today's video is about different types of makeup trends of 2024. Let's know makeup trends. Soft glam look. In this makeup look, we are talking about to see more natural looks. Blue tones, aesthetic shade of the year is blue IE, blue eyeshadow, fun blue nail, aqua makeup look, glazed blush. We've seen glazed skin, glazed nails. Now it's the turn of our blush, ombre lips, leaving it lighter in the center, blending different shades for a gradient effect. 90s continued. Last year makeup was highly influenced by 90s and it's going to stay with us this year too. C sculpting adds some dimension and contour to the cheeks, involves applying blush in the shape of a C. Elevated lashes. Fake looking lashes are out. Your lashes should look natural and lifted. Feathered brows. Embrace your natural brow frame and lightly fill in gaps where needed. Geometric liner. This trend is all about creating bold and geometric shapes with eyeliner, i.e. sharp angles and graphic lines. Glossy lips. Glossy lips will continue to be a trend in this year. Using lip gloss or lip oils will create a shiny and plump effect. But focus will be on natural and sheer shades. Color play. If you're looking for a trend that's a little more fun and experimental, color play is the way forward. Kitty liner. For a minimal liner look, try kitty liner. Liners that extend out from the outer corner to elongate the eye without feeling like a dramatic eye look. Ethereal skin. Ethereal skin will dominate this year with healthy skin that has a reflective glow. Blurred lips. A final trend for lips that will be a hit amongst lazy girls is blurred lips. Monochromatic makeup. 90s monochromatic looks will bring back that minimalist vibe. Hope you are enjoying my videos. Please share it with your friends and family.